Hello and welcome to this part of the tutorial. In this very video we are going to be building the user login form that is going to enable our users to log into our chat application. So to do that, what we need to do is to link the login form to the registration form. So here is how to do that. So you just create a div and then give it a class of text center to align all the texts that are going to be inside it to the center. Then already have an account sign in here hash first. So when we refresh our sign up page, you are going to see a link here. So let's go ahead and change that to the link of our login form. So when we refresh this, you are going to get this just here. So now, before I started this video, I created two new files. One is the login.php file where we are going to be building the actual login form, and then the users.php file where all the users that are already registered in our chat application will be rendered for any user to be able to select from and chat with. So to save time, here is what to do. You can go ahead and create those two files in the root folder of your own project. So just copy everything, every single code you have in the registration form, and then paste it in the login.php form. Then you refresh this and you see we have just exactly what we had there on the registration form. So you're going to be deleting the first name and the last name field, because definitely we do not need that here. So change this sign up text also to sign in. So change this to sign in. Once you are done with that, definitely we'll be needing the email and the password, because that's what the user will be using as his login details. So change the register ID to login and then maintain the reg class, so that the button is still going to maintain its style from our styling file. So just change this to sign in now instead of sign up now. Change it to sign in now, and then change this text to don't have an account, sign up here. Then change the file name in the ref attributes to index.html, which is the name of our registration form. So let's go ahead and click the here, and you can see we have been brought back to our sign up form. Then click here again, and then we are brought back to our sign in form. So let's go ahead to the script.js file. So already I have added the ID of the login button here, so that when we click we can now start our action proper. So let's just create three variables. So email is the first one, password is the second one, and then action as the third and the last one. So email is going to be set email to email.value. Then password also assign it to the value of the password field. Then action, set it to log user in. Then that's all we need to do. So let's just go ahead and get the test. So alert email plus space plus password plus space plus action. It's just to give a quick try, and then let's be sure if we've grabbed all the values that we need to grab. So here just select a random email and a random password, and then you see we have everything here. So let's go and build it on the server side. Let's just go and build the server aspect of it. So upon clicking that, all we need to do is this. We're going to be using jQuery's Ajax function. So URL is still going to be server.php that we built in the previous tutorial, and then set type to post, then data, keep that blank for now, success function response, then if an else if part, and then one final else part. That's all we need to do. Then if response, if the response equals to done, it simply means the user has typed in the right details. So we are going to be redirecting the user to the users.php page, window.location.ref, then you pass in users.php. That's the user has logged in successfully, and then he will now be able to see the existing users. Else, if response equals to field, if the response is equals to field, alert. Now this is going to happen. This is just what with the part we are writing to handle, when the user types wrong details, wrong password and wrong email address and all that. So alert wrong email address and password, wrong email address and password, else alert response. So that's just it. Then let's go ahead and pass the values to the data part. So email, replace it a colon and email here. Also do that for password also. Password, then action, assigned to action. So that is all we need to do. So let's get into the server.php file and then copy the name of our action. So back to the server.php file here, and then let's check if underscore post, if post action equals this, equals log user in, then we have to accept all the variables. So we accept the email and save it in a variable email, equals $post email. We'll do same for the password. Password $password. That is all we need to do. Thank you for watching this video to this very part. I'm going to be ending this video right here for the sake of the free version of the screen recorder I'm using. I'm going to, as I end the video, I'm going to restart a new one. I'll start recording a new one so that we can go ahead and complete the tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye.